We're a little bit over time,
Facebook.
Charlie, so I know you said you
Oh,
wanted
yeah,
to
that's
know
right. I was
more
gonna add
about
a
a
question.
specific
So-
word that began with P.
Oh yeah. So, I've been learning a lot here, learning a lot more good stuff just from you guys, from Feel Good Friday, from Mark Stiles, from our good friend. And the big word that I keep hearing that I haven't really heard much about so far this summer is the word, is it probate, right? For some reason I was
Probate.
thinking prebate, but I mean,
Prepay.
I don't know.
Probate.
Yeah, something like that.
Probate.
Probate,
That's
okay,
one of the
cool.
most
Yeah.
common questions that we get. And you can join us Tuesdays when Ben and I sit together each and every Tuesday. Call the office, grab a seat, follow our social channels on Instagram or on Facebook. Shout out to Michaela. She's putting the links out there. Have a conversation with Ben and I and answer some of these questions. What is probate? Is the state going to take my house? Those are the two most popular questions. But probate, this mysterious land you speak of, right? What is probate? Is it a verb? I need to probate, or is it a place? Here in Massachusetts, there's a court called the Probate and Family Court. If you go onto our YouTube channel, and you can do it right now, go onto YouTube, Stiles Law Probate, you're going to find the video that I'm about to replay right now from memory. But in Massachusetts, you have to go to court if assets are remaining in your name after you die. So simply, if you die with bank accounts, with a home, stocks, bonds, anything of value in your individual name, the court must get involved. Because why? How is it going to be passed on? Are people going to guess? Remember the stories we talked about Prince and Aretha Franklin recently? If it's in their name, Rob says it's his, and Johnny said, Mom said it was going to me. Well, the court gets involved, and
they find a will on the couch.
Exactly.
Crayon on it.
Well, so there's two reasons why someone would go to probate. One is if nothing was done, right? So it's simply in their name, and we got to figure out how to get it out of their name because they're not alive anymore. One way to help with that is to add someone to the name. So let's add Charlie to the bank account. Let's add Rob to the deed. And once that person dies, jointly and severally, it goes to that person. However, that doesn't necessarily help a lot of people because that's one person, right? So the plan requires a little bit more. So a lot of people say, well, what about a will? Do I have to probate? Do I have to go into the court and ask for permission to have them dictate where the items of value go? You do. You still do, because you have a will. It's the assets are still in that person's name, the decedent's name, the person who has died. It's still in their individual name. The will is great because it explains, it helps the court. However, it still opens the door to the requirement of a probate, which opens risk, right? So you have to notify everybody. So maybe somebody says, well, this will is stuck in the couch, or this isn't the last will that Mom wrote, or what have you. They're going to challenge it because it's an open conversation. There's more cost. There's a lot of energy. There's time. And sometimes it's locked down. So if there's an emergency necessary, the courts don't move all that quickly. So albeit the will is helpful, you're still going to be required to go through probate. So again, reminding folks to come check us out on Tuesday nights. When Ben and I talk about this stuff, one of the only true ways to do proper planning and to avoid this so-called probate that we're talking about is to do trust planning. And we talk all about that on Tuesday nights. We're there every Tuesday, 5:30 to 7. And I believe this Tuesday, there's still a few seats. So give the office a call, 781-319-1900. 781-319-1900, and book a seat for Tuesday, or jump on our social channels, either Instagram or Facebook, and you can sign up for Tuesday or a Tuesday in the future. So we've got them scheduled out into the future as well. So join us in a really informal session with 6 or 8 like-minded individuals and ask those questions, and we'll be sure to answer them.
All right, good stuff from Mark Stiles. Feel Good Friday.
Indeed it is.
And if you want to find out more, stiles-law.com, stiles-law.com, or give Mark a call, right?
Yes, you can call us at 781-319-1900, 781-319-1900. And if you're interested in the estate planning, you can go to our dedicated page at stiles-estates.com. And I always encourage folks to go onto the YouTube. Go onto
There
the
it is.
YouTube channel, Styles Law, and dig in and do some searching through there. We've got a lot of questions answered on there, very similar to the ones we talk about here on Feel Good Friday, WATD, with Rob Hackala and Charlie.
Charlie.
Yep,
Here
yep,
for
yep.
his Final Feel Good Friday for now. You never know. Maybe he'll pop by another day.
That'd be great.
See, might
All
call
right.
in.
Thank you so much. All right, take care. Mark,
Thank you. Have a great week, everybody.